Hello and welcome to Civil Engineering tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how to make a house plan. You can do it with many tools. For example, Autodesk Revit is a professional tool for this. But in this tutorial, I'm going to use a free tool, which is a web-based tool. It's called Floor Planner. You just sign in and you can have it for free for your personal use. So first of all, I try to create a new project named house. When you create a house, you need to have an idea about what you are going to build. How many rooms, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms? Is there any specific requirement for the living room or garage? Something like that. So after that, I recommend you to sketch with your pencil because I think pencil has some connection to your brain. And based on that, you can start to draw on computer. Now, when you start sketch your idea on paper, you can start from the bathroom. It's maybe because the bathroom has a connection to the sewage line, or you can start from the garage. I often start from the garage because garage has a standard size. For example, if I want to have a double garage, it has a standard size of 6 by 6 meter. So it may be easier for me to start. Now I try to draw a garage here. I will have a double garage of 6 by 6 and a storeroom at the back. So therefore I will draw it 6 by 7. So here I get this one is 600 and this one is 700, for example. Yep, so this is my garage. Now I draw my storeroom. My storeroom, I will not try to be very accurate with the dimensions because it will take me time to adjust it and the tutorial will be very quick. So therefore I will try to do it very quickly. And you also can change the thickness of the wall. For example, here's a partition wall, so I just put it, for example, 10 centimeters, and the same to this one. Yep. And in my experience, after you draw a room, you should directly put the door for this, so you can have an idea about the airflow. And if you do it wrong, you have to edit a lot of lines, so therefore you have enough space. So after draw the garage, I will think about the bedrooms because they are a lot and they are maybe easier to connect to the garage. In my mind, I'm going to draw a 4-bedroom house. So I will have a master room with ensuite and 3 other bedrooms. I think I will put the master room on the other side because I want to keep some privacy for parents. So now I will try to draw 3 bedrooms on this side first. As I told before, I will not try to be very accurate with the dimensions. Here is the first bedroom, and here will be the next one. Now, before I adjust the length, I should change the thickness of the wall. For example, this one should be 10 centimeter, and I try to get this one 3 meter. Yeah. And now in here, I actually can put the third bedroom here, so I will have 1, 2, 3. But I want to put the bathroom in between the rooms, so therefore in here, I think I'm going to try to draw the bathroom. So here will be my bathroom, for example. And I have this one should be 2.5 meter. Two and a half meter. Yep. And this one, I don't know yet because I will think about the door. I want to have the entrance from this side, so I put a door here first. So I place door For this room, I try to put the door right here. And for this room, I try to get the door in here. So I can have a big one for TV or for decoration, whatever. And here, I try to draw my toilet. I should have a separate toilet because it's a 4-bedroom house. Now, this one is just about 10 centimeter. And the same to this one. Yep. Now I need to adjust the wall so I have enough space for my toilet. Okay. I think it's fine to me. Just place door. Yep. So after my bathroom and the toilet, I should have laundry right in front of it. So after having a bath, people can put their clothes into the washing machine easily. So in here, I'm going to draw another room. And I adjust the size to be about 1.7. If you have some difficulty in adjust the length, you can just zoom in, so it should be easier. Yep. So for example, I have this one, and because laundry, I need the door to the backyard. So I put my door, for example, right here. Flip to other side. And this one, I change it to 0 because I need to get into it from the living room. Now I just double check this one. I change this one to 10 centimeter, for example, like this. And now will be my last room over here. Yep. This one should be 10 centimeter. And my entrance should be from here. Just flip it. Yeah. And I just adjust the length, for example, should be 3 meter. Yep. I will not be very strict with the dimensions. Now, in the next step, I need to draw the other side with the master room. So here will be my living room, kitchen, and others. Now in here, I just go down a little bit. Now I think maybe I put the door first because it's based on the door. I need the standard size of the door. So I place door first. And for the entrance, I shouldn't use a normal one side door. I may use 2 side door. This one may be better for me, the French door. And here is my, I can make it close or leave a small gap over here. It depends on your wish. If you leave a small gap over here, so when you walk in the house, it will have a spacious feeling. But if you do that, it will cost you some money. So whatever you choose. Now I try to make this one just about 1 meter from the garage and try to make a very tiny gap over here. So I choose this about 2 meter. Yeah. And now I can draw my master room. So my master room should be something like this. The size of the master room, it depends on your wish. Now I choose this one, for example, will be 4.5 times by 5.5. So this is should be, yep. And this one should be 5.5. Zoom in to have a better. 5.5. Yep. So here is my room, and I just need the entrance door. So I don't need room. I actually need a door. How about sliding door? Yep. So it will give some spacious feeling. And in here, I need an ensuite and a walk-in robe. So I can draw a room over here. My ensuite should be about 2 meters. So I try to get 2 meters. You know, it's sometimes really hard to get exactly the size you need. And in here, for example, this one I don't need, this one I need it 10 centimeter. And I need a walk-in robe as well, so I just draw a one right here. And my one is just about 10 centimeters. I try to adjust it to get the right size for my story walk-in robe. Yep, now I can just place door for the walk-in robe. For example, here is my entrance, and for this one I place the glass door. So place entrance on one side and place the glass door on the other side. The glass one is so big by default. I put it in first and then resize it to just be right. Yep. So this will be my ensuite and my walk-in robe. For example, like that. I could have a robe over here. And now, you know, it's a good idea when you design a house, when you put all of the water devices in one place. So for example, in here, you have the laundry and bathroom. Here you have the ensuite. So back to back of the one, you should have the kitchen. So I just draw the kitchen here. Yeah. And my kitchen should be about 2.5 meters. And I don't need this one because it is open plan for the kitchen. So this one should be 0 and this one should be 0 too. Yep. Now it's a kitchen. As I told you before, I want to have a side access so I can dump rubbish very easily. So I place a door right here. And because it's a kitchen inside, so I should open it outside this way. And after the kitchen, I will set a place for the dining. Yep. So should be about 2 meters. I zoom in to have a better adjustment. Yep. And this one, I don't need the thickness for this. And this as well. Yep. So this will be my dining part. Now this part will be my living. And I need a patio at the back. So now I can draw from any places, but I prefer to have a straight line over here, so it can save me a little bit money for structure. So I just draw a one from here to here and come back to here. Yep. So here will be my living room. Now the way to the patio, I also need to draw the patio as well. So I draw from here to here, so this will be my patio, and I don't need the thickness for this wall because there's no wall there. Yep. Now I think that is for me. Is there anything I need to put there? Maybe the window. Okay, I can put the window later after I set up. So here I set it to be the garage. Here will be the storage. Here is bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and here is a master room. Now this one should be my bathroom, and this one should be my toilet, separate toilet. Here this one will be my laundry. I don't have laundry in this one, so I just check utility. This is my ensuite, and this is my walk-in robe. So I should choose storage, maybe better. And here is a kitchen. Here is the dining, and this one should be living. And the last one I have here is my patio. Yep. So I have named all of them. I have put the door for all of them, I guess. And now I do the last part, set the window. You know, every room size will have a specific requirement for light. So you have to look at the standard before you set the window to have enough light for your room. You don't want to turn on the light during the daytime. In here, I just set it based on my experience. For more detail, please refer to the respective standard. So now here I will place the window. For example, I have this one will be three-pane window. Yep. And the window is only so very important for the light and the wind, the ventilations of your room. Now for this one, I think I'm fine with two-pane window, but to have more light, I can put the three-pane over here. And again, and for this one, can have it right here. You can put one more over here if you want to, but I think that may be enough for my room. Now, next, I need the window for my living room, kitchen. Now I need the door to the backyard. So I place door to the backyard. For example, I choose a slide door and I make it really big. Maybe about 5 meters. As I told you before, I can zoom in to have a better adjustment. Okay, so here will be the place for TV and for chatting, something like that. And I have patio, everything done, I guess so. Now I need some more light for my storage and my bathroom. So I place window, small window, maybe standard one. So maybe I place it right here. You can put it here, but on the other side will be the bathtub. So therefore I put it a little bit to other side like this. And I click on this. So my height should be only about 50 centimeter. And it starts from 170. So people shouldn't look inside it. And the glass will have some opacity as well. Now for this storage, I place window. normal window doesn't fit. So I have to make a special one for this. So just make it smaller. Place window, for example, right here, and make it smaller. For example, like this, and then move it down and change the height. For example, it should be only about 50 centimeter and start from 170. Yeah, I don't need the window for this storage because it might intrude, otherwise people will look through into my bathroom. Yep. Now after you have done it, and hang on, I need one more thing, is my garage door. So I just place door and choose the garage door. Yep. The default size for the garage door is about 4.6 meter. I can adjust it to up to about 5.5. So in here, I think I just make it 5. Really hard to adjust. Okay, and try to adjust it at the middle. Yep, all good. Now, let's try to see it in 3D. So here is my house. I think I'm happy with this. I may want to have a additional window over here, so I can have more light for this part. But you know, it's maybe not really good when you have dining and people can look through. So it's based on your wish. I can go back and make a small window over here. Maybe something like this to have more light for my living room. Now, a good thing of the floor planner is that it helps you to have some decoration for this. Hang on, I didn't put the, where's my door over here? I think I placed it before, but I can place it again, no problem. So it should be sliding door. That's the middle. Yep. I think they all good to me. A problem is the span here is a little bit big, but it's okay because you can make through over here. The structural engineer will tell you that it's possible to build or not. Now, after I have set up things, I can do the decoration for my house. For example, if I click on garage and you use the magic layout, and it's try to arrange things in here for you. Yep. So for example, here is something you can put into your garage. Actually, I don't need couch or bench. So maybe I need this one. So I move my door a little bit to a side. So I may need a working bench over here. Now, if I want to copy this one, I just move it to a side. I don't think I need this one and this one as well. This is actually my light. You know, it may be easier to have a LED tube on the top. So maybe I just keep the electricity light for this one and remove it to the LED tube later. Now what I need to do with this one is I'm trying to copy the car. So click on this, copy, and then move it to other side, for example, like this. So I have enough space for them. Now I do magic layout for my storage. Yeah, actually you cannot put much thing in here. Maybe you put bench, and here maybe the electricity box. Okay, now in here we have bedroom. Do magic layout again. I think I like it. I don't need to change anything. And this one, yep, I'm fine with that. Here in the bathroom, um, magic layout. You want to have shower or bath. This is the main bathroom, so I think I'm happy with bath. Yep, so it already have a separate toilet in here and you don't need it. And here in toilet. Yep, I think all fine to me. The problem is the door is opening to this one. So I can move to the other side or I just delete it. Yep. And I keep going for utility. Yep, seems good to me. You can change to different style, but I think I like this. So the last one should be bedroom. And I do magic layout. It should be the same. Yep. Now for the other side, I may try to change the style of the room. So for example, I choose urban to have a look. Yep, seems good to me. If you don't like the style, you can change the style or you can render it again. It will give you some other option. Yep, for example, like that. Now I'm moving to bathroom, the ensuite. So therefore I need a shower. So here will be my entrance and my toilet is right here. I actually don't like it. I may want to delete this one because I don't need it. I move this one on the way to here next to this. I don't need a bin in here, but I need a toilet in here. So I move this way and now I rotate it and move it to the wall. Maybe a bit further, something like that. You certainly can change the decoration of your bathroom if you want to. And here is my storage. I don't think I can put a lot of things in here. Yep. And next to this is a kitchen, back to back. So here will be my kitchen. Yep. If you don't like thing, you can remove it or input it. For example, you can place the furniture right here, search for what you want and just put in and rotate or reposition it. Now I go to my dining. Yep. And the same to my living room as well. Yep. So for example, this is the house I just built. I have a corridor from the entrance down the way to the backyard. I have the side access from the laundry. For example, after washing the clothes, I can go out to the backyard easily way. And I have the side exit for my kitchens. Let's see in 3D. So it look like this way. Yep, you can have many other options for your details. For example, I go back to 2D. I want to change the color of my garage door. So my frame color should be red and my door color, I choose, for example, green. And I choose the same thing for the door inside, so frame color is red. Actually, I think the white frame is better, but for you to see it easily from the perspective of camera, I just choose it to be red. Yeah, I don't change the frame for the toilet and the bathroom. I just change here, so frame color to be red, and here flame color to be red, for example, like that. Now let's see how it look like. Yep, so here is your front view, here is your living view. So you have red door over here and red door over here. You can change this one to red as well. Yep. So I hope my tutorial give you some idea how to quickly do the floor planning with floor planners. You can do it similarly with some other tool like Autodesk Revit or others. Thank you very much for your time and see you in next tutorial.